guys, and welcome back to my channel. Summer is here finally and I'm so happy. It's really a beautiful time of the year. Even I love all seasons. I really love summer and I think most of the people love summer so much. I thought I'm gonna create some glowing, golden, bronzy, smoky eye makeup look for you. I hope you guys like it and yeah, so keep on watching if you want to know how to get this look.
So, I'm starting off with my Nivea Day Cream for dry and sensitive skin. It moisturizes your skin perfectly and feels very lightweight. It also has SPF 15 to protect your skin from the sun during the day, so I'm just applying a small amount all over my face and letting that dry. Next, I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown Eye Repair Cream to moisturize my under eye area, which also helps prevent creasing. So I'm again just taking a small amount and gently dab this into my skin. And I'm loving my all-time favorite chapstick in Classic Cherry. So next, I'm taking my oil-free and lightweight Porefessional from Benefit. It minimizes the appearance of the pores, so I'm just applying a small amount to those areas where I need it the most. Now I'm taking this oil-free Photo Finish Foundation Primer from Smashbox and apply it all over my face. To give my skin a fresh and glowy finish, I'm spritzing my skin with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Spray. With my Sigma Flat Kabuki brush, I'm applying my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Foundation and apply it all over my face. This foundation is also oil-free and water-resistant. I don't like having makeup on my lips, so I always clean my lips after applying makeup. Next, I'm taking my beauty blender and press all the foundation into my skin. So now I'm going to be using my Studio Conceal and Correct Duo from MAC and applying the yellow color to balance my dark under eye circles. With my clean ring finger, I'm dabbing that color gently into my skin. Now I'm taking my beauty blender and press the leftover of the product into my skin. I switched to a smaller beauty blender as the first one was too big for my under eye area. Now this is one of my current favorite under eye area powder. It's the Benai Luxury Banana Powder and I believe as of its yellowish tone, it covers up the dark circles very well. And I'm applying this with my Real Techniques setting brush. To set my foundation, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite pressed powder from Giorgio Armani, using the same setting brush as I used for the banana powder. And if you are wondering what I'm doing here, I'm cleaning my nose from all the makeup. With my MAC 109 brush, I start contouring my face using the True Match powder from L'Oreal in the number N8. I know it looks a little harsh in the beginning, so I'm taking my NARS Kabuki brush and blend everything out. Again, I'm taking my Real Technique setting brush and smooth out any harsh lines with my Giorgio Armani powder. Next, I'm going to be using my Sigma small tapered blending brush and start contouring my nose. Now I'm taking this NARS contour kit and apply the light shade, which is sort of a soft, warm, light rose color, on the top of my nose and blend everything out. With my Sigma setting brush, I apply a small amount of banana powder to cover up any dark spots on the inner corners of the upper bridge of my nose. Now, this highlighter is really one of my favorites. It has this beautiful soft rosy finish, so I'm applying this on the top of my nose and on the highest points of my cheeks. For this look, I'm loving the MAC Gold Deposit Mineralized Skin Finish Bronzing Powder, which I'm gonna apply with my Real Techniques brush blush all over my face. Next, I prime my eyes with this NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base and blend it out with my fingers. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Anastasia brow pencil and fill out the sparse areas of my brows. Actually, I do have a scar in my left eyebrow, as when I was small, my sister, she threw me some toy on my head, so that's why I have now a hole there, so thank you for that. So now I'm going to be using this brow gel from NARS, which I absolutely love, and brush my brows in place. To prime my eyelids for the eyeshadows, I'm applying this Pro Longwear paint pot from MAC all over my lids. Next, I'm taking the Sigma tapered blending brush and apply the soft rosy color of my NARS contour kit as an eyeshadow base all over my lids. Using the same blending brush from my BH Cosmetics 120 color palette, I'm picking up this warm orangey brown color and start applying it into my crease. With the Sigma tapered blending brush E40, I blend everything out. So next, I'm picking up this more ash brown color from the BH Cosmetics 28 Neutral palette and apply it into my crease. And again, blend everything out. For my lower lash line, I'm going to be using my MAC 219 brush and apply the same warm orangey brown color I have applied on my eyelids. To give more depth, I also apply a small amount to the outer corner of my eyelids and blend everything out. So next I'm taking again this ash brown color and apply it on my lower lash line. And blend it out. So now it's time to give my eyes this golden glow. I give my MAC 239 brush a spritz of MAC Prep and Prime Fix Spray and dab this golden creamy eyeshadow from MAC on my eyelids. To add the smoky eye look, I'm taking this dark brown creamy eyeliner from NYX and apply it on my lash line. And this doesn't need to be precise as we're gonna smudge it out after. So now I'm taking this Q-tip and smudge everything out. Next, I'm applying the same dark brown creamy eyeliner on my lower lash line. With the same MAC 239 brush, I blend everything out. And to make the smoky eye look complete, I apply the same dark brown creamy eyeliner on my waterline. To give my eyes more of a cat eye, I'm drawing a small wing on the outer corner of my eyes and after smudge it out. To finalize the smoky eye look, I'm again picking up the soft rosy color of my NARS contour kit and apply it with a clean MAC 239 brush right under my eyebrows. Correcting the eyebrows. This is my favorite step, applying mascara. I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I'm absolutely in love with as it gives my lashes so much volume and density. In the first version, I line my lips with this MAC lip liner in the color Strip Down, which is basically my go-to lip liner. Next, I'm gonna be using this nude Makeup Forever lipstick and dab it onto my lips. And this is my go-to hairspray at the moment. It's a weightless volume hairspray from the brand Kevin Murphy. I think it's an Australian brand. So, lip version number 2. I'm starting off with the same lip liner from MAC I used before and go over it with the lipstick Myth, as well from MAC, and dab everything into my lips. You can take either your fingers or a towel, however you feel like. Next, I'm taking this ash brown grayish lip pencil, which is so old and I have no idea where I got it from. But anyway, you can take any ashy lip liner. So I'm just lining my lips and after smudge it out with a Q-tip. Now I'm taking this nude lipstick from NYX, apply it onto my lips and after again dab everything in with my ring finger. And to complete the look, I'm applying my pinky lip gloss from NYX and that's it.
So guys, I hope you liked this look. This was my second video. I hope you guys liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. I will hopefully see you soon.